Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day, without you even thinking about it. It pumps blood through 60,000 miles of blood vessels. In this video, we'll explore the structure of the heart, how it works, and why it's the most reliable pump you'll ever know. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It supplies oxygen and nutrients while removing carbon dioxide and waste. Size? About the size of your fist. Location? In the thoracic cavity. The heart has 4 chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. The left ventricle has the thickest wall. It does the hardest work. There are 4 valves in the heart: tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, mitral valve, aortic valve. Valves ensure blood flows in only one direction. The double circulation system includes pulmonary circulation delivers deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Systemic circulation delivers oxygen to the rest of the body.